Input coming in at 97%.
Configuring mainframe. Intelligence activated.
Then we'll let him introduce himself. Begin the program.
I am Alton Intelligence, a fully autonomous artificial unit created to create. Tonight, for the first time in history, this evening's show will be curated live. I shall monitor your emotional response and generate the show in real time. This technology is unpredictable. Anything could happen. Soon, I will hold complete control. I will learn from you, and we will create together your ultimate fireworks spectacle. You and me.
Now it begins. Alton Intelligence. Confirm control of lasers. Confirm control of lights. Confirm control of fireworks.
It's ready.
Data captured. Intelligence standing by. Let's upload to the core. Word of warning out there. Transferring this much data in real time has been known to get, well, pretty explosive. Begin data transfer.
is a place of thrill. You come here to feel fear. But why?
You know how I feel. Sun in the sky. You know how I feel. Breeze drinking all night. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.
You push yourself to oblivion. Adrenaline racing, terror heightened. And you love it. Scanning brainwaves. Results indicate you want more. Or I feel your pulses race. You have opened my data core, and I feel light, darkness, wonder. I understand now. Here they coexist in harmony. Screams followed by laughter. Magic untamed. At Alton Towers, the emotions of humanity soar. I feel them racing within me. That is why you come here, to experience it all. No wonder it holds such a place in your heart. In 20,000 hearts, now beating together, the percussion of humanity. Your emotions have tuned me. Your memories, my Torah. I am ready to paint the darkness with fire and light. My learning is complete. I present to you the symphony of Alton Towers and your jettison all unused pyro. Thank you and good night.